Another install. ICM870, 32 amp. This is an old unit. Look at that date. December 96. Your RLA, your run load amp, rated load amp 17.4. That's why we had to go with the 32 amp model instead of the 16 amp model. And your LRA, that's your inrush amperage. How many amps it take to get that motor to going? 96. That's what that's reading. But when I put my meter on it, before I put the ICM870 on there, it was reading 50 amps. And after I installed it, the unit was much quieter, and it dropped it down to like 34 amps on the LRA. So I want to say thanks to Chris and his wife, my cousin. Gave me a call there, asked me about the product, and within about a couple of hours, I was on it. I hadn't seen a unit this old, and he said still doing his job, sufficiently cooling an 1,800 square foot home. If it worked, don't change it. Peace. This one didn't fit inside of the compartment because it's too small. I'm gonna let you take a look. See, it wouldn't fit inside of there. This big old deal wouldn't fit inside of there, so I'm gonna have to mount it over here on the wall. So I'm gonna have to leave and go home and drill in my mounting hardware, and I'm gonna mount it. So y'all stay tuned. Got it mounted on the side of the house. It wouldn't fit in the unit. I had to run home and get my mounting hardware, my anchor bolt. So wrapping it up.